ba ang mas magandang gawin? I-increase ang income or reduce your expenses? Let's do the math. Let's say, for example, meron kang goal na bilhin na product. Let's say that particular item is about 30,000 pesos. Na may tatlong scenario tayo. Scenario A is that your income is 20,000 pesos and yung expenses mo is 15,000 pesos. Sa 15,000 pesos na yan, okay yung lifestyle mo. Maka-aircon ka, you can eat 3 times a day, sometimes even snacks, maka-Starbucks ka pa, etc. So, itong 15,000 pesos is your ideal lifestyle na komportable ka. 20,000 minus 15,000, ang maiiwan sa'yo is 5,000 pesos. Since may goal ka na product worth 30,000 pesos, it will take you 6 months bago mo mabili yung product na yan. So, itong scenario A is your default lifestyle. Now, your idea is, what if bawasan mo ang expenses mo so that you can achieve this faster? In this case, 20,000 pa rin yung kinikita nating pera, but this time, your expenses, you're going to reduce it down to 10,000 pesos a month. So, kung dati nag-aircon ka ng 8 hours a day, ngayon, nasa mga 5 hours na lang. Kung dati, 3 times a day ka kumakain, ngayon, twice a day na lang. Yung mga ganong tipong style na para mabawasan yung expenses natin. Yung balance mo ay 10,000 pesos per month. That means it will take you 3 months bago mo mabili yung goal mo. Now, sa scenario C naman, yung approach mo dito is iba. I-increase mo ang income mo, but your expenses is still the same. Let's say, for example, you were able to increase your income by additional 10,000. 30,000 na yung kinikita mong pera ngayon. Yung expenses mo is your default lifestyle. Yung 3 beses ka kumakain sa isang araw at maka-aircon ka, 15,000 pesos. Yung balance mo is 15,000 pesos. You can achieve your goal in the next 2 months. As you can see, guys, the goal is the same, which is 30,000 pesos. Yung approach lang natin is default, reduce your expenses, or increase your income. Mas mabilis talaga natin ma-achieve yung goal natin if we increase our income because it is limitless. When you reduce your expenses kasi, it is a good idea, but if that's the only way for you to achieve your goal, you can only do so much. Like, hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin na hindi ka na lang kain sa isang araw just because you want to achieve your goal. You still have to eat. You still have to operate. There are certain expenses that you really have to spend on in order for you to operate para ma-achieve mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. So in this illustration, I would say that it is way better to increase our income rather than reduce our expenses. Pero para sa'yo, which is a better option ba? Increase your income or reduce your expenses? Share your answers sa comment section.